Guys, you want to see more magic? More close up? Okay. Is anyone sitting here? What's your name? Anil. Anil, I have a pad here which is like the same material a whiteboard is made out of. Right? It's a very unique and interesting thing. And I have a whiteboard marker here. Okay. I'm just going to draw a couple of X's on this. It's less of a magic trick and more of an observation test. Okay. So, like we have drinks here, so maybe a little bit tipsy. So I just want to see how attentive you guys are. Anil, right?
One card trick with me.
You want to see a card trick? Definitely.
I also definitely want to see.
Anil, how many X's are there now? Three. That is your first mistake. There are 6.
No, but
Yeah.
what are see?
Yeah. So you have to count anything you can't see as well. Okay. So anything you can't see as well, you have to count. Even the ones underneath.
So
Okay?
there are 6.
Yes. If I take one away, how many do we have now?
5.
5, right? But if I snap, how many now?
5.
Should be 5, right? But when I snap, whatever happens on this side happens on this side as well. Okay? You did not know what to expect, right? We'll start in the beginning. Okay? So 3x's here, 3x's here. I'll take this one out. I know, it does not make sense. Right? Again, if I snap, 4, right?
No, if you snap,
2 here.
it's still 5.
Yeah.
It's a 4.
But 4, whatever happens on this side happens on this side as well. Okay? Look, I'll take this one out.
So 2.
So 2, right? Once I snap, 2 here, 2 here. We'll go back to when there were 2. Since you said 2. Okay? I'll take this one out. This is like jumping ink. Like, it's not permanent ink, it's the whiteboard ink, right? So I can flick it and make it go. And it happens on both sides. Okay? If I do this, this happens.
Nice, super.
Look,
super.
I can take it again. This is movable ink. This is not permanent ink. I can throw it back.
Oh, super.
No, just one.
So bring back all the 6.
All you have to do is follow the queen. There's nothing going on. This is also not a trick. This is less of a trick, more of a scam. Have you played those 2-card Monty, 3-card Monty kind of games? Where you have to follow a specific card and there are 2 cards which are completely unrelated, unimportant. So they keep mixing and they'll let you win a couple of times. And then they'll ask you to bet money and out of confidence you'll bet money कि ये easy game है कोई भी कर सकता है.
I haven't.
Yeah, you'll not. This is not for money. Just saying. And then you start losing. They'll throw in some moves. They'll throw in special cards. Those things, right? So again, here you have to follow the queen. Where's the queen now?
In your right.
In my right hand, right? Very descriptive. It's a very easy game. So I'm going to have another distractor card. Okay. The 8 is not important, right? The only thing is the queen is important. Okay. Where's the queen now? Here, right? Should be there. That is when they get you. It's here. It's about to get even more difficult. I'm going to add another distractor card. Okay? So 2 8s, 1 queen, right? You have to follow the queen and not the 8s. Okay? Where's the queen now? Obviously here because it's face up. When you put it face down, that is when they do the switches. Can you hold your hand out? I'll do this as slow as I can, okay? Where's the queen now? Without turning off. There. If I asked you to bet money, you would bet money there. Right? But it's here. I'll show it to you again. Again, hand out. Where's the queen now? Face up. Face up, it's easy to follow, right? Face. If it's face down, if I make this 8 face down, you only have 50% information. But still you have the important information, right? If I make the queen face down, you still have 50%, but the important information is gone. Are you still willing to bet money that this is the queen? Right? Because I did not even come near you. but it's not.
Oh.
Can you show me back of that?
Yeah, after this I'll show you the pack of cards. We'll just use 2 cards now. Okay?
Okay.
Where's the queen now? If I put this face down, do this, hide, and turn. In my pocket? Okay. I was hoping you are distracted. It's in my pocket?
Still you.
It's here. I put the 8 in my pocket, no? Okay, you know what? Give me a hand. As I told, this is not a magic trick, not a bet. This is a scam. There's no way of winning.
Correct.
I told you in the beginning. Let's say I don't want you to win at all. Even now, I will not hide anything. Even now, if I ask you to bet where you think the queen is, where do you think the queen is now?
3 pages only.
Queen has to be because 8 say there. I'm not even hiding anything. But as I said, there's no way to win. I'll tell you, I'll let you in on a secret. I have extra cards. Okay, that is how I'm getting you. I did put the queen in the pocket in the beginning. Now let's say you are my accomplice, right? I want you to win. Okay, remember that. No matter what happens, you will win. Okay, no way to lose. Hand out. See very slowly which card is up, which card is on the bottom. Where's the queen? Anil. Nobody help Anil. It's his money.
Sunil.
Oh, Sunil, sorry.
Sunil.
Yes, that's the spirit. Because I want you to win. The queen will be here. See, I'll do it again. Where's the queen now? Here, right? But I want you to win. If I want you to win, there's no way to lose. Look, Sunil. If I want you to win, there's no losing. Yeah, queens all around. Is it okay if I give you my mic so it records your audio as well?
Yes.
Okay. I'll just touch this here. Okay. He's the star of the show.
हा तिकडे जा तिकडे. तुझं कार्ड मी बघितले. मैंने इसका कार्ड देखा है. पक्का 100%. ठीक है. सो डू वन थिंग. तुम्हारा जो कार्ड है ना इस पे रख दो. नहीं दिस कार्ड यू तुम्हारा कार्ड.
मैं 2 कार्ड उठा के रखूंगा.
तुम कार्ड इस पे रख दो. नहीं तो ये देखो क्या है ना. देखना तुम इसके साथ रखो तो सही. हाँ तो मैं इसके ऊपर रख दिया. पीस दिया. तेरे को पीसने का है वो पीस.
आपने कार्ड देख लिया वो.
वापस कर. हाँ, एक काम कर. नहीं सुनो इफ दैट इज द केस ना तुम तुम्हारे हाथ से निकालो. मैं नहीं निकालता. मैं निकालता ही नहीं कार्ड. चलो कार्ड निकालो मत. हाँ देख लो तुम देख लो. जो भी कार्ड देखने का है ना तुम देख लो. हाँ
हाँ, आप नीचे का कार्ड देख रहे हो फिर उसके ऊपर मेरे को कार्ड डालने के लिए बोल रहे हो.
मैजिक. अरे
आपने क्या किया ऐसा क्या. हाँ तू उठा ले तेरा कार्ड डाल इसके नीचे. अबे वो क्या है. उन्होंने क्या किया ऐसा किया फिर मेरे को बोला इसमें से तू एक कार्ड निकाल ले.
उसको ना उसको पता नहीं मैं किधर उसको फंसाने वाला था. वो कुछ
करके ऐसा किया तो फिर अबे 6 के नीचे कौन सा है. तो जो कार्ड 6 के नीचे होगा वो
पीसने को बोल रहा है.
अच्छा सॉरी आई एम
वो है ना वो क्या कर रहा है बार बार. मैं उसको ना उसको माइंड में एक है. उसको माइंड में एक है कि तो कोई मतलब ही नहीं बनता ना।
नहीं, sorry, sorry.
देख
I will take my word. नहीं, अभी,
सुनो
एक
सुनो,
बार, एक बार.
तुम कोई भी मैजिशियन के पास में जाते हो, तुम मैजिशियन के साथ में ये मत करो, वो मत करो, वो मत, ऐसे लोगों को ना ऐसा ऑडियंस चाहिए नहीं।
I am taking my
ऐसे
word.
ऐसे ऑडियंस पैसा तो छोड़ो, फोकट में भी चाहिए तो भी नहीं चाहिए।
अरे ले लीजिए अभी मैं देख अभी आई विल नॉट से एनीथिंग।
वो पीसने को बोल रहा है, सब कुछ करने को बोल रहा है, फिर भी वही कर रहा है।
रुको ना रे बाबा,
उसको
आग
कुछ
मत लगाना, रुको ना। I will be a silent.
मैं कुछ भी नहीं करूंगा अभी। बोल अभी मैं कुछ नहीं करूंगा, कुछ नहीं करूंगा। हाँ
एकदम
सुनो ना, तुम देख लिया।
ए भाई तुम लोग स्पेक्टेटर हो ना, डोंट बी ऑडियंस।
हाँ तूने देख लिया बराबर पक्का। मैं अभी कुछ नहीं देखता हूँ। इसके ऊपर रख दिया।
ये पीसो
पीस
अभी मालूम,
पीस
अभी मालूम।
मैंने कुछ देखा मैंने। पीस अभी
अरे देना तुम्हारा हाथ में दे रहा है।
ए, रुको ना रे बाबा, आई एम वॉलंटियर ना। आई शपथ।
तेरे को करना है और मैं देखूंगा नहीं इसको। रख दे इधर, मैंने देखा है।
जेब में नहीं।
इधर रख। मैंने इसके ऊपर रख दिया। मैं देख रहा हूँ कि देख, मैं तेरी तरफ देख रहा हूँ। पीसने का है तेरे को और पीसना।
मानना पड़ेगा। बहुत कम चांस होता है नहीं मिलने का।
इसका चेहरा देख के ही मैं बता सकता हूँ इसने क्या गेम किया है। हाँ मैजिक दिखा रहा हूँ मैं। एक राउंड में जीत गया मैं। तेरे को देखना है।